Oh, hey folks, just cleaning down the workbench, ready for a new video using my GTPOWER jet fan. If you haven't seen one of these before, check out my previous video, link on the screen somewhere, and see what it's all about. Really cool. What I am here today for is to let you guys know about a fabulous new GTPOWER charger that is on the market. This is the X2 Pro. This is one of GTPOWER's flagship chargers, the X2 Pro dual intelligent balance charger, and it's also a discharger. Let's run through what's on the box and open her up. On the box, what do we have? Yes, it is a new charger with new functions, 400 watts. Talking about features, optimized operating software, high power and high performance circuits, individual voltage balancing for lithium battery packs, monitor and balancing individual cell voltages, suitable for a variety of lithium batteries, lithium battery fast charge and storage mode, really handy. I'll jump into that shortly and show you guys what that's about. Maximum safety, cyclic discharging and charging, cut-off voltage settings, and you can update its firmware as well. Microprocessor controlled, discharge, lithium battery balancing, safety, etc. So one of the real handy things about this new unit is you can control it with your mobile device, either Apple or Android, through the App Store, a free app. I'll run through the functions of that as well. That's enough chit chat. Let's see what you get in the box. Nice comprehensive instruction booklet, power cable, and a couple of XT90 adapters so you can plug in your balance charger. And we all love stickers. Speaking of stickers, you guys may know already, I used to be Skypilot, it's now Ground to Air RC, GTA RC. Decals are available at my merch store. I have a bit of a competition running, so check that out. And there she is. What a neat looking charger. What I love about these chargers is they all run their programming fairly similar to probably your IMAX charger or other GTPOWER chargers. The function buttons pretty much operate the same way, just with the additional functions, which makes it really easy to use. Now, display up the top here, nice little film over the top to protect it. You've got your select buttons, positive, minus, channel, obviously channels 1 or 2, start functions, return, etc. Little indicator light here which shows you which channel you're programming at the time. You've got your 2 to 6S balance ports here. Looking at the rear, nice open area there for the fan to blow some warm air out. And down the bottom you have your AC in for your power supply. You've also got your DC input if you wish to charge on the go, and your USB, micro USB for doing your firmware upgrades. Compact and very portable. Okay, let's plug them in and run through some functions. So, turn it on, you'll see your screen light up, really nice display there, nice and bright, easy to read. Channel selector, you can select which channel you're going to be operating from, and there's yours. And there's the nice little light I was telling you about. Just sits there and does its own little thing, changes colour, doesn't really associate it with any programming, just looks really cool. If you look at the instruction book, you can see what many functions pressing the programming select buttons do. It runs through many different things. I'm not going to do that, I'll just show you the basics of it and how to set it up, and we'll run through a balance charge on one of my Lipos. Great thing about this is you can just set it to balance charge. You don't need to set voltages or anything like that. You simply plug in your Lipo, in which case this is an 1800 milliamp 4S. Select lithium battery mode, which is our Lipo. Now, the next screen, you can do a number of things. You can repair your Lipo. Sometimes you go to charge a battery and it's saying there's an error. This actually has a repair function, which is really cool. You can do your balance charging, discharging, or normal charging. Or a storage charge. So what I'm going to do is a storage charge. This is an 1800, so I run it at 0.8 amps. And it's a 4S, so we make sure we select 4S, 14.8 volts. Make sure we're on the right channel. Simply a matter of hitting start. And make sure your balance charger is in the right way. If it's not set correctly from the bottom pin up, then you'll get an error. So we hit start, battery check, confirm, enter, and straight away we are now looking at every cell. Once all the cells have reached the appropriate voltage, it will actually stop, so you don't need to do anything at all, which is really, really cool, especially if you've got loads and loads of batteries to storage charge over winter. And you can obviously switch channels and do a second battery at the same time, which we'll run through now. So let's put my 850 4S on charge, shall we?
Lipo, let's change it to...
Hit the start button. There's an error, it will tell you. We want to confirm that. Okay, so we are charging away, and you can see each cell on this little 850 has 3.9 volts. Really cool. Swap between channels, have a look, see what the other one's doing. Nice and safe, easy to use. Runs fairly cool. I haven't had much fan activation going on. I have charged up all of my Lipos and had a play with this already. It doesn't run hot at all, which is really excellent. It's as simple as that, guys, in a nutshell. Let's just stop these and I'll just buzz through the different functions that this can do. Just storage charge, repair, balance charge, discharging, charging, and FB discharging. Charge up your nickel and metal hydride, nickel cadmium batteries. And again, you have plenty of discharging and charging cycle charging features with that as well. Like I said, packed with features, folks. Really, really good. Something else you can do, guys, you can actually program this from your mobile device by downloading the app, which we'll do right now. So once you've downloaded the app, it will straight away tell you what's happening with your charger, what screen you're on. You can control a few things with this. One of the great things you can do is actually a firmware upgrade. So you can check the firmware, which we should be running on 1.2.7. If it isn't the correct one, it will certainly let you know, and you can actually upgrade it from your mobile device, which is really, really cool. From here, this is basically the interface that you're seeing here, but it's on your phone. You've got two channels up the top there. So we simply go Lipo. Let's make it it's a 4C battery. We'll do a balance charge, select next. Really easy to run through, 0.8 amps, and start. Okay. Waiting, checking, done. It's running. Really, really good, guys. I don't know why you do this. Perhaps if you're multitasking, doing many things at once, it could be really handy. It is nice on the screen here. It actually shows you your battery levels down here. You can stop it from here. Just really informative, and yeah, pretty cool. And of course you can run either one channel or two. It tells you your battery levels. At the moment we're on 40%, so really intuitive. I suppose if you're out in the field and it is connected via Bluetooth GPS, so you can actually wander around, do some flying, and keep an eye on your batteries as they're charging, discharging, etc. So that's really handy, folks. There we have it, guys, the X2 Pro. Look, whether you're hooking up your massive balanced charger pack, or if you're just doing individual charging, or if you just want to do dual charging, make it nice and simple. This is the charger I used to use a while ago. These days are long gone. I jumped into the GTPOWER scene, and this is my go-to battery, but unfortunately not anymore. That's going over in the storage heap. This will be my everyday charger for all my Lipos, which I'm pretty chuffed about because I've got some batteries here. A few batteries I need charging up. The trouble is, these all cost a lot of money. Yes, what we need to do is look after them, and this charger is going to do just that. I love the storage charge feature of them. I've actually storage charged all of these batteries, so I'm really happy to keep them locked away in a safe place until the sun comes out and I can start using them again, because they do cost a lot of money. Links down below where to get this from. Check out my other videos. GTPOWER gear, really awesome. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, any questions about this gear, what it does, or anything else from GTPOWER. Check out their website, they have loads of cool stuff. That's all for now. Next video is going to be the V6. That's going to be one to look out for as well. But that's for another day, very soon. GTARC says, thank you GTPOWER. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.